Director of Health and Related Services at the Anderson Center for Autism. I would like you to be able to observe a little bit about the wonderful work that we've been doing along with the Good Dog Foundation here. It's been a wonderful program that we've had for several years, and we hope you can learn something from what we're about to show you.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky.
Here at Anderson Center for Autism, we're using the dogs from the Good Dog Foundation as a tool, so to speak, to work within our pre-existing occupational therapy and speech therapy program to work on the functional skills of our individuals. Whether it be working on functional communication or initiation for activities, we're using the dogs as a kind of an inspiration for our individuals to kind of spur them on to performing greater activities. We love to see the advances we're making in those sessions, and then when they take those skills in those individual sessions and generalize them to their classroom or instruction rooms or into their home life.
Dog therapy, dog therapy, dog therapy, dog therapy.
Do you need help? Help? What do you want?
To listen to music.
You want to listen to music, so you're finished. Okay. Nice job saying you're finished, okay? Nice job, okay? Say goodbye. Typically when participants come in, they use the icons for each item. They'll choose which item, 3 out of 5, that they would like to do for today. And when they're finished with the 3, they know to come back and put the item on the table and then turn it over so that it's finished. And then if they do use a communication device, like the iPad Philip was using today, they're able to request, using a device that's their voice. So we have a couple participants that are involved in dog therapy that have a communication device and are able to ask for the dog and certain things using the device that are nonverbal. So.
Actually, both are certified by the Dog Foundation. I have a little Cavalier 2 Charles Spaniel at home too. And any dog that is suited to this, that would enjoy it, that doesn't show any aggression, is a candidate. And we go through 11 weeks of training, and we're certified and placed in an area where the team's strength would be. And Duchess just loves it here. She's just here and at the main campus. She's really enjoys coming here. My other dog works at Vassar Hospital as well. Yeah, we've been here for a couple of years, and yeah, we've really enjoyed it a lot.
this for us has been the wonderful bond that gets developed between the dog and the individual. Once we see that relationship get established, that's really what ignites our individuals to even perform better. It's this bond that gets developed between the dog and the individual we're working with that over time, when that bond gets developed, that's where we see an individual flourish and actually do more to improve their functional abilities, and then take those skills and generalize them back into their everyday life. It's been wonderful to see our individuals grow under this program, and it's something that we hope to continue to do for several more years, and we hope you enjoy learning more about it.
Like a house of cards, one blow from caving in. Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go you're gonna leave 'em all in You don't have to feel like a wasted space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a